Okay, well, it's been a while since I put something up online, and I've been busy, been a very busy bee, and I've been sending all sorts of notices out to people, so I just wanted to show this one, and here you can clearly see it says there's a little tick on what says left address. Now, this is the person, and I just called up earlier, and I'm probably going to get some actual, written advice to suggest that this Kevin Doncaster has not indeed left address, but he's on leave, which is a bit different. So it should have been, they should have ticked unclaimed. There's a little option for unclaimed here. Now these fucking registrars at the Women's Magistrates Courts have been absolutely useless. Now, here's another thing, and just so you can see quite clearly the date there, 6th of November 2011, so that was when this was sent, and you can also see quite clearly that here the quite obviously the PA of Paul Marshke, Executive Director of the Magistrates Court Service, has said, "Thank you for your letter of 31st of October 2011 regarding your matter to be heard through the Women's Magistrates Court, in which you make certain requests and demands regarding various matters. I have perused your correspondence and cannot see any legal basis for your requests." Well, of course not, because I'm dealing in common law, and these people don't want to deal with it, of course, because then they'd have to prove that I was the signatory to the contract they're prosecuting me for. So I'm, like, wow. In a recent interview, Dean Clifford said that it seems to him that these people actually don't know the law. Like, they just know all those funny little rules in the book that they call the Constitution and the Acts of Parliament of their country. They don't actually know about law, which is a whole different thing. It's superior. So, but, I think that it's a case of, well, they're just ignoring it because they're hoping it's going to go away, right? Well, I'm not going away, okay? Not going away. This here is as much response as I'm going to get out of this moron. So quite clearly, he's quite deserving of being subjected to a lien, which I'm about to. On Friday I'll be sending out a lien, and I'll be filing with the district court because it's over $1 million. It's over $150,000. That's the rules that they have. I just got a text message here. What have we got? And that's, I thought to myself, should I bother sending back a response saying you haven't actually answered any of these questions? Do I need to send them to you again or something? Do I need to query your ability to read English? Maybe? Well, no, this is it. This is it. This is my rebuttal, so to speak. This is my rebuttal, which basically says absolutely nothing and looks like the rest of it's a form letter, except for the first 2 paragraphs. I highly recommend you seek legal advice, particularly given your assertions set out in your letter. Well, here's a problem, Mr. Marshke. Your lawyers are... They have an oath to an organisation called the Bar Association, and the Bar Association is registered and controlled by the government. So, if I were to consult them, I would get no more information than you. So why would I bother? That's just idiotic. All Queensland legislation can be accessed at the Office of the Queensland Parliamentary Council's website, www.legislation.qld.gov.au, but care should be exercised in attempting to interpret any legislation without proper legal training or qualified legal advice. Care should be taken, should it? As in, oh, we're gonna send round a bunch of thugs and they're gonna bash you over the head. Oh, fuck off, you are. Man, I can't believe this shit. I'm just a bit curious if I can construe this as a clear case of, you know, this person has been unhelpful to me number 2 time now, and I'd almost wonder if maybe he decided he was going to take a holiday because he got emails from me threatening him. I was saying, it sounds to me like you're you're in breach of faith. You're not acting in good faith. So, and then I get this. Well, I guess, you know, these public servants are not serving this member of the public. It's going to take a judge to deal with this, but then the judge is not going to be able to confess on the record that I'm right about what I'm saying. He's just going to have to drop it. So I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. I've got my stuff ready. I've got it on my underneath this video upload. I'm going to include some links to some stuff that I've written in relation to this. Anyway, that's me. Just felt like saying something and having it recorded. No promises when I'm going to show up again on your TV, on your video screens. Bye.